So good evening, guys. So this at night around 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. So I've decided to take a walk, show you around. Not even it's 10, and you can still see people still running their business up and down. Many vehicles blowing on. But this thing irritates my ears. You see people like honing. For me, I don't like. You know the problem with these people is that I think the instruction even in the driving school is they were just told blow horn. But in Kenya they usually say keep distance. These are the places. Have you seen that lady? But I've seen that in this place, most of the ladies likes riding these scooters because there are many of them. So let's go somewhere. You could see what is the price of our belts. Yeah, something like that. Gái mửa gái lên, gái lên con người tuần này kìa. Cái nó đi chơi cái gì? So let's go inside here. Yeah, what is the price and how they sell those things. Yeah. Good evening, brother.
Good evening.
I need a bell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here you can get.
Huh?
These are the bags.
What is the price?
What is the price?
250.
250?
Yes.
250.
Expensive?
Yes.
Oh my god, this is the
Oh my
quality.
god.
Yes, this is the quality stuff.
Quality stuff.
Yeah.
But what about I have 150? 150 rupees. 150. 150 rupees.
200 last.
No, brother.
150.
How many you want to take?
Yeah?
How many? How many pieces? Single?
We want to.
One or two?
Yeah, we want to. What about this?
Same price.
Same price.
Yes.
But
This one is cheaper, my brother.
But what I thought
This one is cheaper.
this one
No.
this one are
same
usually
price.
expensive than this one
No, they are same price, brother.
because in Kenya this one
This is in the cloth for fabric. This
Yeah.
is in Rexine leather fabric.
Ah, understood now.
I don't know which one I will buy. For you, which one will you buy? This one or this one?
Price expensive.
But it will still, but we will still talk.
You still negotiate. So, which is your option? You can take this or this one.
I think this time I will take this one.
This one?
I had no this one.
This one? That one. This one's okay.
For you,
Remove this, yes.
gini?
Yeah,
My one.
yeah?
You want to take this or this? Okay, I will pull it out.
Hindi ka na? Oo, mapapayasag ka niya.
Too small? Small.
I will take it. I will take it.
Too small.
Too small. This is the large size I have.
Too small.
So this is the largest size I
You
have.
see? Small.
I can try this or any other thing.
I don't like that.
Then,
Don't like that.
This and this.
Like this, you see this, but it's small.
Yeah, it's a small size.
What is the cost of chinis? The best one?
850.
The most expensive.
Yeah, 850.
Which one is the most expensive? Yeah. Most expensive.
These are the expensive.
This one. This is
Yeah.
This is not enough.
Yes.
This is not enough.
850. That's expensive.
What about this one?
750.
Do you have black one?
No, I don't know.
Yeah.
Finished.
Okay.
Andy, okay. How much is this? Huh? Yeah.
What is it?
I'm just looking at
Oh, it's too good for you. How much is this?
350.
Pardon?
350.
Discount? After
Final
discount, how
price.
much? Yes?
Final price. No discount.
Do you have black one? Black one. Give me black.
That size is okay.
Yeah, that's right, okay.
And this?
Same price, 350.
Huh? Guys, how is this one?
Same pattern. Same thing.
Same thing.
Yeah, same thing.
I like the other one.
Okay.
I like the other one.
That color?
Yes. Ini buku itu.
Mabida.
Mabida.
Copy. Okay.
I like this.
Give me.
This one, yes. I like this.
So I will buy this one.
So how much?
350.
200.
No. Final price, 350.
200.
350 final price.
300.
No. 350 final price.
What about this vest? Black one. Black.
Size okay or you want a big one?
You will just have to tell me price and then I will tell you whether I will buy or
Same
not.
price, 350 brother.
Small one, little.
Small.
Say this one
This
is
is the smell.
medium.
L.
This is large.
I think it will fit you. Or this is the
Medium.
M.
Medium.
Ah.
This is the medium.
I don't like this. I like this one.
This one in medium. I think this size will be okay for you.
Can I try it?
Yeah, you can.
Can you please help me for this one?
That's okay. That's okay.
Yeah, I know
I
that.
thought it was. You got this one? Bigger one. Bigger one than this one.
Big one?
X one.
XL?
XL. Yes. XL. Nada, bigger color. Okay, go magnet.
Oh, you do black one?
No, the same color with this one.
The one, the blue one. You
Color.
want this?
Yeah, we are going to take this with the same color. Yes. So this one will match. That's it. That's it. That is perfect. So how much?
700.
This one.
Oh, the two. This one and this one.
Not this one. This and this. 700. Lakshmi. The name of God is Lakshmi.
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 Lakshmi. That is God now.
That is God name dedicated to money. So we
So
worship.
it's now a blessing to you, right?
It was fallen down.
Yes.
So I just
There you
said
go.
sorry.
Because
Why mistakenly
even
this?
if you
Yeah.
say this
This
means,
is
means
sorry.
sorry.
Means greeting to somebody.
Oh.
Greeting. We are like second.
Say.
We are greeting.
Yes.
This in India we greet like this. Namaste.
Namaste.
Yes.
So if you say namaste, what's right? Say
Namaste.
namaste.
So you have said, oh, you know what I've been wondering? I've been seeing this one. I don't know, understand. What is this? So-
we do have lots of
Gods.
gods with different
Polit-
agendas. You can
You
say.
have different quotes?
So you mean that India is polytheistic? Polytheistic. Polytheistic. Oh, I don't understand. And you have different gods.
Different
Yeah,
quotes.
different gods.
So you have said this is God of.
Yeah, this is for Lakshmi, and that's with the you say with the long nose. That is
Long
Ganesh.
nose?
Huh?
Ganesha over there. It
Long
will be
nose.
Ganesha.
Is that nose or this beard?
No, it's a nose.
Oh.
It's an elephant face with the man body.
Oh.
Lord Shiva's son Ganesha.
So that's God of wealth. Okay.
And prosperity for the Ganesha. Ganesha spread prosperity, and the god Lakshmi is for money.
Okay.
In commercial places, we mostly, worship of Lakshmi and Ganesha.
What about you usually see something that you put there and it burns?
This is called
Smoke. I see some.
There are two types of smoke.
Yes.
You can say agarbatti and dhoopbatti.
What does that mean?
Agribati and Gubetu.
What does that
It's
mean?
a fragrance thing. If you burn it, it will fragrance all over the area. It's a fragrance thing.
Okay.
That's it. It spread fragrance.
Okay.
Different fragrance.
So why do you not have it here, that smoke?
No, I did it.
Oh.
I already did.
Okay.
I went to another
3
shop.
times a day.
I went to another shop. I got big smoke in the room.
Different type of worship they have. They follow something, other customs. They
So
follow
some
other customs.
Africans like me can go to that church and pray. Will I allow it?
In church, in mandirs, anywhere you can go.
When are you attending to that church?
I don't go to church. I go to mandir.
Monday.
Mandir is called, you will say temple.
Mandip. So
In Hindi, it's called mandir.
Mandir.
In English, it is temple.
Temple.
Okay.
Like church, we do have temples and mosques.
okay.
Same like mosque.
What about at which day do you usually go to the temple?
Every day.
Every day.
Every day. After how long?
Every day, if I pray a God 3 times a day. I worship a God in here 3 times a day.
3 times a day.
Morning, evening, and afternoon and evening.
So what about around here? Why is that temple? Why is the temple around here? Temple.
Where is the temple around? You will go straight over there,
Ah.
and on the second cut, you go to right,
Yes.
almost a kilometer,
1 kilometer.
1 kilometer
Before the main highway.
before the main highway.
Okay.
There is a C block society. It's a C block society over there. Once you cross that, on the left hand side you will find there is a police station as well.
Okay.
Nearby police station. Just 10 meters away.
Okay.
5-10 meters away. That's it.
So tomorrow I think we will visit there so that we can still learn more.
So for how many days you are here?
We are here for something like 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
So for work you came or just to visit India?
What's that assistant?
Just a visit?
Yes.
Okay, nice. So till now you have visited anywhere or just searching to visit places? Many.
You are an Indian by birth, my brother, right?
Yeah.
So,
So
how much states?
I'm very weak in academics.
Pardon?
Very weak in academics. Very weak in
about how many states?
27 approximately.
27.
But around.
Okay.
Near about, I think. Bengal. We'll come to
Pardon?
this is Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. Number of states
Oh, number of states.
and number of religions.
Okay.
And we have mixed and India.
Okay.
So guys, you have heard that India is polytheistic country. They have many gods. They have really many gods. You have heard that they have a god of wealth, god of growth. So they refer to many gods. There's god of wealth, wisdom. Yeah.
Modi brother, okay?
Ada. Ni. Ni kita ambil apa stream channel. Apa stream? Berarti. Street dogs. This is so do you see chemist? So that is the symbol of chemist in Hindu language. Akhirnya no ticket ya? Eh? Oh yeah, Chiwagon. That's the Chiwagon. Oh, these are renting this. So these are the Indian clothes. Beautiful ladies of India. Ano ba jangan kahubun murag ke?
Devil.
So do you see this lady? She's wearing a top, which is the whole back is open. So they still have the same habit like Kenya. So I wonder what is this. So guys, for today's stream, I will just have to finish there.
Hey dost, how are you?
Finish there. So we will talk tomorrow.